All of us have learned that there are two kinds of charges, positive charges and negative charges, and also the charges exert forces on each other, either attraction or repulsion. If the two charges are of the same kind, they repel each other, and if the two charges are of different kind, they attract each other. Now we have learnt all these things, we have read these things in the books, but can we see it? Can we produce charges on objects and see whether they are repelling or they are attracting? Yes, we can do it when two things are rubbed to each other. Some electrons get transferred from one object to the other object and they become charged. The one which gives electron becomes positively charged, the one which receives electron becomes negatively charged. But don't rub metallic objects. If you rub metallic objects, it will be difficult to see that charge transfer. So take some object which is non-conducting, like these straws, the pipes. So I take these rods and this handkerchief and rub it, so that there are two of them, and they are very similar. They are made of the same, they are taken from the same lot. So these two plastic straws are almost identical, and then this cloth, both are non-conducting, remember, and then you just rub it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 times I have rubbed. 3 times, 4 times is also okay. Now take a bottle and put one of the straws on it. You carefully balance it there at the center, and then this is the end where I had rubbed, and these are the two ends where I have rubbed, and I'll just bring these two close to each other and then see what happens, whether they repel each other, whether they attract each other, and let's do it and see. So I am bringing it closer. What are they doing? They are repelling each other. The one I am holding in my hand is repelling the other one, and therefore this other one starts rotating on this bottle. It's trying to go away from the straw that I am holding. It's trying to go away from the straw that I am holding. So they are repelling each other. Why? Okay, let's do it at the other end. Here there is no repulsion because that end was not rubbed. Since the straw was rubbed with this handkerchief, charges were transferred from one to other and they get opposite charge. So see, this handkerchief and the straw, they are attracting each other. The straw is trying to go closer to this handkerchief because they have now acquired opposite charges. One has given the electrons, one has taken the electrons, one is positively charged, another is negatively charged. What about my hand? Is there a charge on my hand? If there is a charge, it should attract or repel. Let's see. It is attracting. So has my hand acquired a charge like handkerchief? See this, my hand is attracting this straw. But I did not rub my hands. My hand should not have gotten any charge, and it is not. But what happens when I bring this hand close to this straw, charged straw, then the electrons on my hand, they get just shifted, and some temporary charge appears close to the straw. The other kind of charge is also there in the hand. The hand is still neutral, but still opposite to the straw there is some charge and attraction take place. That's normally called induction. So what did we learn? The two kinds of charges can be produced by rubbing, and rubbing always produces opposite kinds of charges on the two objects. then the similar charges repel each other, the opposite charges attract each other, and there can be a charge redistribution because of the induction. There also you can see the attraction.